When it comes to single-serve coffee machines, the big question is always the same. Does it actually make your mornings easier, or does it just add another gadget to the kitchen counter? That's exactly what I wanted to find out with the Chefman Caffeinator. This brewer promises a lot of flexibility, and on paper, it definitely sounds impressive. One of the first things people notice is that it works with both coffee pods and freshly ground coffee, which already gives it an advantage for anyone who likes switching between convenience and flavor. Instead of locking you into one option, it gives you the choice, and that can make a big difference depending on how much time you have in the morning. Another feature that stands out is the level of customization. The machine offers 5 different cup sizes, 3 strength levels, and 3 temperature settings, which means you can adjust your coffee depending on how strong or hot you like it. For people who enjoy experimenting with their brew, that flexibility is definitely appealing. There's also an over-ice function designed specifically for iced coffee, which aims to keep the flavor bold instead of watered down. That's something iced coffee fans usually appreciate because many machines struggle with that balance. The removable 48-ounce water reservoir includes a charcoal filter, which is meant to improve the taste by keeping the water cleaner and fresher. In terms of design, the adjustable mug tray helps reduce splashing, especially if you're using smaller cups. And the one-touch controls keep things simple so you don't have to deal with complicated settings first thing in the morning. The package also includes 5 barista-style recipes for drinks you can try at home, which adds a bit of variety if you want something beyond regular coffee. Overall, the Chefman Caffeinator tries to combine convenience with customization, and whether it's the right choice really depends on how much control you want over your daily cup.